Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how reports work in Goodbudget. Goodbudget is a digital envelope budgeting app that helps you manage your finances. One of its most powerful features is the Reporting tab, which gives you valuable insights into your spending habits. The app has several different reports to help you see where your money is going. The main ones are the Spending by Envelope report and the Income versus Spending report. The Spending by Envelope report shows you a colorful breakdown of what you've spent in each of your budget categories. You can see a pie chart of your spending for a specific time period, whether it's this month, last week, or even a full year. This report is perfect for spotting which envelopes you're overspending on. The Income versus Spending report is a great way to see your overall financial health. It shows you a month-by-month view of your total income versus your total spending. This helps you track your cash flow and ensure you are spending less than you earn. In addition to these, Goodbudget offers other reports on its website, such as the Income by Source report, which breaks down where your money is coming from. Reports can be customized to show specific time frames, and you can even download your transactions to a CSV file for further analysis. These reports help you visualize your financial data and make informed decisions about your budget. They are essential for understanding your spending patterns and for making adjustments to reach your financial goals. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.